If you are experiencing an error of switching your another YouTube accounts, then this video is for you. But before we start, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates and tutorials. Welcome to Hairstyle Tutorials Music and Vlogs. Only here in JhaJha and Mom's Vlog, created by Rona. First, let's try to open our YouTube application with multiple accounts. Let's try to switch another account. As checking, I found out that my current application was experiencing an error, so I cannot open my other account. Now let's try to exit this tab, and go to your home phone menu. Now, select the YouTube application and press it. Choose App Info, and select the storage or storage usage. After that, clear its data and the cache. Now, let's go back to our YouTube application, and open it again. So, there you go, it was done and ready to switch accounts again. So if you find this video helpful, then please like this video, comment down for your suggestions, and please consider to subscribe, then hit the bell all button to keep you updated on my upcoming vlogs. See you on my next vlogs. Shout out to the following commentators. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.